Okay, guys, it's time to trade Bitcoin. I'm looking to sell Bitcoin, and I'm looking to sell at the price 49,294. Okay, the price I'm placing an order to sell 49,294. Oops, as you can see, position opened right now. Short position on Bitcoin at 49,294. You still have time because price moved up to 49,327. So you still time to follow my trade and sell short Bitcoin. Okay, stay with me and follow my trades, and I will guide you through this trade, and we will close this trade in profit. Okay, I'll speak to you later, guys.
Particularly negative as far as US equities are concerned. Unlike in the Trump era, when you were getting hit by trade-related issues, every now and then creating cleanouts and buy the dip opportunities, you don't have that this time around. So you've got to have other features that create cleanouts, and obviously the inflation story has been part of it. But even there, the market's taking a very benign look at the Fed. You look at what's priced in through the end of 2024, it's less than 100 basis points of tightening. That's nothing in the grand scheme of Fed's tightening cycle. So the market's taken a very benign look at things. But obviously the back end of the bond market, I think, is creating the backdrop for very solid equity market and very solid US risk.
The S&P is up more than 20% year to date. Last year, 16%. The year before, 29%. How much longer can we continue with these kinds of incredible returns?
Look, you'd expect the returns to slow down, but I think what you're saying there as well is that there are a lot of participants who are into equity market returns over there, and they're not going to get shaken out by something that's willy-nilly. They're going to have to have some big macro story out. The most obvious one is one we've been speaking about, which is that inflation is not as benign as the Fed would make us believe. The Fed has to jump in and generate some more aggressive tightening going forward, particularly into 2022. That would be the kind of story that would upset the apple cart. But right now, if you look at China's, going to go through a phase where it's not actually generating huge amounts of international volatility, and the US is not going to be the instigator of that. As I said, not whilst the bond market's the storyline, not while expectations of the Fed is
Something
New order placed to buy euro. If you're looking to buy euro, here is your chance, 117.35.6. I placed order, and I'm looking to buy euro at 117.35.6. Stay with me, follow my trade, and we'll close this trade in profit. Stay safe. Time to place stop on profit for Bitcoin, and I'm going to place stop on profit at 49,195. Okay, stop on profit place at 41,195. It will give us 200 pounds in profit. Okay, I will adjust later on. Okay, stop on profit placed. So whatever happened, we will not end up in loss. So if you follow my trade, if you copy this trade, please do so. Please place stop on profit, and let's wait. Let's see what's going to happen next. So we will, we'll probably increase later on. We will move even further our stop. Okay, stay safe, guys.
Opportunities in the shorter term, and where we've seen opportunity, I think it's really been in the more cyclical parts of the equity market, which
okay, guys,
in the last few weeks.
Let's move stop for Bitcoin even further to 48,000 to 948, 48,948. Just right here. It will gives us, as far as I can, I'll calculate again. Should give us 700 pounds in profit. 49 to 94. $948. Yep. It will give us 700 pounds in profit, 0.7%. Please move your stop to this level. So anything can happen, especially with Bitcoin. USA market was opened just recently, so it can move very fast, very substantially up. So we have to be sure that nothing will happen with our profit. Okay, guys, stay safe.
Does Delta variant subside? Does it persist, et cetera? So I think we're seeing a little bit more of a rotation here than anything more reflective of fundamental weakness in the economy.
In the credit.
Okay, guys, I'm placing an order to sell short euro. The price I'm looking to sell, 117.41.9. If you want to trade euro against United States dollar, here is your chance, 117.41.9. Here is the price I'm looking to enter short position. Stay safe.
With this G7 underway at the moment, with the President of the United States being pushed by his allies, like Prime Minister Boris Johnson, by the Germans, by the French, to extend the deadline. Potentially, that is what this meeting was about. But
open, guys, for euro at 117.41.9. Okay, well done. Stay with me. If you want to get the strategy, you have to go to company.co.uk and get the strategy. For all other guys who are already using our strategy, well done. Stay with me and we'll close this trade in profit. Speak to you later, guys. Okay, traders, as you can see, right now is the time to move stop on profit, our profit on Bitcoin. So I'm going to move to 1% from 49,294. 49,294 minus 1%. It will give us 48,801. So let's move to 48,801. Our stop. Okay, we're already £1,000 in profit. Let's see, maybe we will move even further. 49,294. 49,294. Yes, let's move to 2%. I will move to 48,308. 48,308. It will give us £2,000 in profit. We move to 2% in our advantage. So we already earned 2% from trading Bitcoin. Okay, guys, all of you guys who follow this trade, who decided to copy this trade, please place stop on profit for Bitcoin at 48,308. Okay, and I'll speak to you later. Well done, guys, all of you who managed to follow this trade and who followed me. If you want to find out more about the strategy, you can go to company.co.uk. I'll speak to you later, guys. As you can see, we closed position on Bitcoin, just right here. So let's see, it took us half a day, yeah? We sold short Bitcoin at around 12 o'clock, 12:20, 15, something like that. And just a couple of minutes ago, we closed position, okay? Great, guys, well done. All of you who followed my trades, you made a profit today. All of you guys who made profit for the first time as a day trader, well done. Quite a few people just sent me emails, said that they never made profits, such big profits. So well done, guys. We made 2% in profit. Depends how much you invested. You made on your investment 2%. Okay, stay safe, and I'll speak to you later.
Society issue, that's got to be a problem at some point. Or it already is, to be fair.
Yes, and there's a lot of talk about getting the Federal Reserve more involved in creating income equality. And ironically, by the very actions that they have to move the offices, the senior
this point, I mean, what is the risk to the current trading environment? It sounds like you're all in, bullish, and it jives with what we heard from the Wells Fargo team about upping the forecast for the S&P 500.
I think that for the rest of the year, could we see the economy slow down from, its 4% to 3%, 2%, 1.5% in 2022? And then people might say, oh, well, now we need to reevaluate the PE ratios. They need to come down, even though earnings look like they're moderating. So that's what I think. But that looks like that's a 22 potential issue.
All right. So